Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Believe it or not, the quietest kitchen powerhouse often looks like a hefty black box, not a sleek mini mixer. Field data shows the blend sense sensor quietly reads the mixture, then ramps the 8,000 watts motor just enough to turn frozen berries into silk, while leaving delicate herbs untouched, a balance many rave about. Patterns also reveal the processor's dual bowls handling a 64-ounce dough batch without stalling, the dough blade spinning steady as a baker swears, and the 24-ounce on-the-go cup signaling when water is missing, saving a frantic morning scramble. Meanwhile, the 90-degree slicing disc shaves carrots in seconds, confirming the claim that this unit can replace 3 separate appliances. Verdict: ideal for ambitious home chefs who crave restaurant-grade versatility without juggling multiple gadgets.